I'm feeling lost with my IT security business. It's like no matter what I do, I can't seem to expand.
It's tough, but there are strategies you can try. Have you considered specializing in a niche market?
I've thought about it, but I'm not sure which niche would be most profitable.
Research the market trends and identify sectors with high demand but low security coverage. Tailoring your services to meet their needs could give you a competitive edge.
That makes sense, but how do I attract clients in those niches?
Networking is key. Attend industry events, join online forums, and leverage social media to connect with potential clients. Building relationships and showcasing your expertise will help you gain their trust.
Networking has never been my strong suit, but I'll give it a try. What else can I do?
Offer value-added services like regular security audits or employee training programs. Show clients that you're invested in their long-term security, not just a one-time fix.
Those are great suggestions. Thanks for the advice. I'm feeling more hopeful about the future of my business now.